Well, this is ridiculous. I didn't sign up for this, Matt. Alright, well, it's Sunday morning. Matt gave me a call this morning and said he's got a stuck truck. It's in a dry lake bed. I don't know what to expect really, other than mud probably. We got Dar with us today, and Landon's running the camera. We got like a 3.5 hour drive to get to this thing, so we'll see how it works out. Well, we had to stop and get some gas, get us some food. We got 2.5 hours left to drive, and we'll be catching Matt here shortly. A little different scenery today. Lots of flat, nothing out this way. One thing about Utah, we got it all. Papa Dar, yeah, he showed up, so he got in.
I was just cruising home and seeing this thing, and I was just telling him I just barely started binge watching you guys like 2 days ago, and it's like, can't believe that.
Well, here we are.
Well,
Yeah, thanks for stopping. It's good to meet you.
yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Did you get any more pictures from that guy?
No.
So we have no idea how far from the bank the Jeep.
No. Let me show you what I've got. I've got 6 gallons of extra gas, and I've got all these little pieces of wood.
I didn't bring any extra gas. Hopefully I don't need it.
Well, it's for you and me.
Yeah, spare tire.
Yeah, I'm learning. Okay, so let's go find a gas station that's open, and I'll just follow you.
Yep, we can get there. There's a dry lake bed at least 219 miles in. Yeah, we're gonna turn those in right now so we don't screw up and not have them turned in.
That truck's starting to sink.
Is it wet down there?
Yeah. Not very deep.
Oh, it's not very deep. Ooh, geez. Kick the ground a little bit.
A little bit deeper.
A little bit. You got like 2 inches.
Yeah, let's throw a couple boards. Anything else? I mean, we're not going to bury 2 rigs, right?
No.
You got a shovel?
I got a shovel on the back.
Yes.
See, you turn your hubs in?
I probably should. You want me to lead out?
Yeah, I do. I'd like to see you get stuck first. Feel it's soft.
Yep, it's soft.
Where you were coming this way, making a turn?
Yeah, I was heading straight out, and it started getting a little sketchy, and so I'm like, I'm gonna turn around, and I started to turn, and
Sunk.
yep.
We're gonna have to pull it a long ways before it's gonna come out.
I think you're right there. Doesn't take suction in too bad.
No.
It's not that sloppy.
And then my son brought out those little blocks. They got little blocks on the back wheels, but you can't see them.
On boards and pull it long ways and pull the front tire up on it. So that it doesn't push the whole front end down. And then we'll stretch.
How much? You've got about 100 feet.
I got 100 feet, and then I got that Yankum, and then I grabbed a 30-foot tow strap I had. I might make it to them.
I'm gonna try creeping a little closer.
Okay, I'll just stay where I'm at. If you can get, we can pull you backwards. Matt's gonna try to squeak forward as much as he can.
Go this way.
I don't know. I walked out there and it's soft.
It looks like a cat was pretty tall.
I think I can pull right there, can't I?
You're
not sinking at all.
I can get out of here.
Yeah.
Dark.
there.
I guess we'll grab a spindle hitch and throw in it.
Man, I got down there a little ways, I hit water.
I know.
In front of this.
It's mucky down there.
May need your shovel, Ed.
What do you got to get to?
Axle.
Oh, get to the bottom.
It's hiding in the mud here. It's gonna smell like we've been catching frogs.
You have salamander coming up here in a minute.
Close. Going under it.
Didn't get it yet.
I'm touching it.
I feel like it's a privilege you gotta use.
Alright.
You got enough rope? Is that enough?
Yeah, it looks like it. I'm glad Paul's under there.
There's no sense in both of us getting dirty. Can you get to both sides from that side?
No. You spoke too soon. On the me being the only one.
Is it muddy?
Let my hands dry and crack it off in a minute. Is it an automatic? Back on top without spinning at all. I'll bet this happened really fast, didn't it?
Oh, like seconds.
Yeah, this
I mean,
mud
look,
is horrible.
just like right there, you're like, we're okay, we're boom, done.
Yep.
And then as soon as I opened my door and saw where the ground was at, it was like, oh.
This mud happens really fast. It doesn't stink nearly as bad as I thought it would.
It's really good for the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like working in cement all day.
You're just gonna, soft and supple skin after this. It's
After
like,
2 or 3 layers peel off, I'll have
it's
some
like going to the spa. Yeah.
facial.
Start winching you.
Okay, and then you're gonna go.
Dog reverse and go.
Okay. Right now it's not stuck, but
Yeah.
in a second.
We didn't stop Dar, you never told me you were a wheelman.
I've never seen our videos when we used to go jeeping.
Keeping it a secret this whole time.
Let me move over here and get this one.
What do you think there'll be mud
Oh,
on?
look, all that was setting on the mud was the axle.
Yeah.
It didn't bottom out on the body. You stopped before you got deep enough.
It's gonna cost you a few bucks at the car wash to get that off.
I know. Is that gonna feel a little squirrely when he gets on the road?
That's called hillbilly balancing. Try backing that one up, or are you gonna wait till you get hooked onto it again?
What? I think we can.
If I just back out.
Let us get turned around
first.
We'll see if that one will turn around.
If we can get it
I'm
turned
gonna
around.
turn the locker off so I don't break through right here.
That's true.
We'll see if it'll. I'm gonna pay Gracie $5 again to vacuum this truck out. wasn't so bad.
You're good. Keep going.
Keep going, Joel.
Keep going back. It's not sinking. You're fine.
That's
good.
I like your tread.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Thanks,
we're
good.
Yep. Are you gonna try and get stuck?
I hope. No, he's making video.
Oh yeah.
Wrong gear. That whole shifting thing, you can't beat an automatic in mud.
Well, that was 5,000 RPM for about 20 seconds.
Yeah, we held it up. We were on the rev limiter for a minute. The shifting, I kept losing. Every time I'd shift, you'd pull farther ahead.
Right. Well, I caught that in neutral, and it was like putting the brakes on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when they'd go to shift, it was like
you hosed us. You were driving down the road. We were off in the soft stuff. So
I'll win however I can.
A win's a win.
yeah.
Give me a wash
Favor
job.
and let me. That's good for a second.
Give me a little bit. Get the dust off. Mine wore off. I got the easy job. I got the drive.
What's your winch in there? We're gonna leave the winch on the front.
You need to come up and let me build a bumper for it and just permanently mount that winch.
What you need to do is make a roller that you can go down
I know,
underneath
under all
with
the
it.
running gear.
Under all the running gear and pull out the back.
You can get one side, I'll get the other. You can get both sides.
Can you go up and visit Rowdy and get a winch or a welder plug-in?
I will. Oh, and then
Because this is getting to be a normal thing using this winch.
I was thinking once a year it wouldn't be too bad.
Right, that's it. We got it out. We didn't get stuck, so it's a win.